Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to the last day of the Skookumchuck Narrows adventure. And so, I got a question for you guys in the comments section. When someone says let's go scuba diving, is this what you get pictured in your mind? Yeah, it's snowing and we're going diving. So the big attraction today that we're looking for is our first dive, and we're going deep. Tess is going to go 130, I think. I'm going to go down to about maybe 110. And we're looking for cold water coral. It should be a fairly deep red color, so if I get any footage of that, you'll know that's the deep water coral that when we found it. I don't know what the second dive is going to be yet, but yay, it's snowing! I don't know, I just find that really cool for diving in the snow. I used to ski as a kid, so, you know, it makes me happy to see snow.
What do you need out of the front?
Diving. Keith me.
Thanks, Em.
Keith me. I still have
What are we doing?
over that one.
Diving? Keith is awesome.
In the snow. We're crazy. Woo! Love those critter dives. They're so much more fun. That's a happy test, by the way. Yeah, lots of good stuff. The wolf eel, the nudibranchs, Pugets, an octopus which come out of his hole. Oh, I love the critter dives. They're so much more fun. Even in the snowstorm. Oh, woohoo! That was a wacky, fun time there. Who would have thought you could have so much fun scuba diving in a snowstorm? Look at this. Less than 24 hours. Yeah, reminds me of where I'm from, Ontario. Get a snowstorm like this every month. But man, Dive Locker runs this one, seems like every 6 months. Skookumchuck Narrows. It's a lot of fun. If you're less hardcore, you might want the non-winter one, but hey, I found this to be a blast. So I definitely recommend, but then I recommend all Dive Locker stuff, so. Well, guys, I'm gonna sign off here because we're in for the Puke Fest drive back. So thanks very much for watching as usual, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.